Good evening. Today we are playing a debate game and our topic is who is more better, boys or girls. So let's get started from our opponent team.
See, this is a very important topic to discuss here, boys versus girls. Although we are not supporting the any means boys or means we are not discriminating any means boys or girls, but we are supporting that boys do more work than girls. Means I can take the example in hospitality. In many surgeons, many doctors, many orthopedists, they are the male, and means we get to see the ratio. The ratio means boys are ahead than girls. Although there are many cases where girls may be high, but maximum of the time boys we get to see more in the sports, in the games, in the
As
cricket.
you mentioned hospital, so I want to go with the hospitality. Without girls, without women, you cannot find the hospitality in your home, in your area, in your environment. And as you mentioned about hospital, so you can go and share the ratio, see the ratio of the women doctors. And as you mentioned about surgeons, so what about gynecologist? Means what about gynecologist? Do you ever seen that any gynecologist who is men? So that is how women has more power rather than men. And
That's all for you. Now, see here, I would like to start about my point why the boys are more hard worker than the girls. You know about the management. Whenever any function comes in the home, anything comes, any festival comes. So there, what the girl do? What girl does? Girl just handles the patila and kadai. But the boys, they handle everything outside. About the everything management. Where is banquet hall, everything. So this is how the man works everywhere. Apart from this, if I come to another sector to handle the management in house, so there also boys play the role. How? Whenever it comes to handle about financial condition.
If you compare in household, the women's plays important role. Without women, you can't even make a food by yourself. In morning, in evening, in everywhere, you need your mother. Whenever you go home, you first thing you tell about your mother. You find your mother and tell them that I am hungry. Please give me food. This type of role play by our mothers.
It's not about the mother and all these things, because those are living in the hostels. They are making their own food, not they are getting from their mother. And from where they are getting money? From their father, not from the mother, mostly. If you see the condition of the India nowadays. And about the boys, in every sector, in everywhere, you will see that the boys on the upcoming time. And you said about the gynecologist. If you may have seen the movie of Ayushmann Khurrana, in that he was the gynecologist. And I know many gynecologists. Those are men. It's not about the women only. So increase your knowledge about that. And about other things of
are multi-talented. Women can do job, women can do home chores, but men can't do. If men do job, then he does job. He don't do anything, like he don't like to do home chores, but women do everything. So that's how girls are powerful as compared to boys. And girls can do everything. Girls are mother, girls are doctor. Means we know that our mother is our doctor for us, our mother is hero for us, our mother is everything for us.
You mean to say that every 5 fingers are girls? None of them is boy. Second thing is that boy, most powerful thing, and most powerful, boy or man is that kind of person who can survive for a long time. And what happens with girls is someone says to any bad things to the girls or women, they start crying. They start, so those kind of emotions by which boy can down their head too. Second thing is that what's happening nowadays, boys are or men, they're doing, becoming a workaholic. They're putting those kind of efforts which cannot be paid by the women.
Okay, sir, may I know that who won that boys? Who won boys? Or the girls? The girls have more pain tolerance than boys. You see your mother, they are having fever, but what they can do, like the mother, your mother does all the household work, does all the cleans his house, cleans your house, make your homemade food. She will do all the work. As you said that the girls only handles the patila or whatever you said. The woman handle whole the house. And apart from that, she manages the children, she do the job, and she earns a lot of money.
We know very well we need mother, but you can ask to your mother who has more responsibility. Your father has more responsibility according to your mother. Why? Because your father, when he goes, so he has headache where I can earn money or how to earn money. So that is the reality. Apart from it, as you're talking about the different kinds of sector, so you rest of the people, they are men, not women. Apart from it, you can take the example of Prime Minister of India, that why India is going ahead than another countries because of men, not for the women.
Okay,
So
have
that's
you
the-
listened one statement that हर आदमी के सक्सेस के पीछे औरत का हाथ होता है, तो so try to understand that without women you can't get success. It is a reality of that life that you should need a woman. Without women you can't get a success. And second thing is that if someone said about that father does a hard work at all, that
Now are you
woman can
completed?
do a woman.
See, whenever boy is born, he has he has a burden. After growing up, what he would be doing? He has no option to do that home chores. He has to be a doctor. He has to be something when he grows up. Whereas when a girl is born, there is an option. If she doesn't want to do anything, she can stay at home and she can that manage the home chores, which is not that much. I think so. I don't know. This is kind of burden, but this is not, because this is after the doing work. That girls have time, whereas the boys have many kind of responsibilities.
See, this is how your mentality is working right now, because you are saying that only men are managing the whole management and they are working for their family and all these things. See, women are also managing their things. Women are also managing their household chores and all these things. And about the patila,
Okay, so for your
let
kind
me
information,
complete.
man can
about
do-
the patila and kadhai, women make food, and that's how men can eat.
Yeah, what I said about patila and kadai, the same thing you are speaking. The women means the women manage everything in the household. So what comes in the household? These all, the kitchen. This is what I am talking. But when it comes to handle the house, means for example, suppose there is any circumstance where you have to go outside at night. To whom do you favor first? Your father or your mother? Of course, your father. You say to your father, can you go outside with me? Mother, what she does, she can also go with you, but she also has the option to stay at home. So this is what happens. Every time you are not supposed to say that, mother, you can do this for me, you can do.
So as
They
sir,
are-
you said that as one of you said that women are means they cry easily, but you don't know that women are the more powerful than the boys. Whether it means it can be emotionally, mentally, they are very strong than the boys. What if anyone say any bad thing to the boys? So what boys do? They just start fighting or using abusing language. But women have a tolerating power. They can tolerate so many
whatever
things,
you are
and
saying
they have
about whatever you guys are saying unnecessary points. Women, that is why people say women do not try to fight with women, because they are totally mentally disturbed. That is why and about you are talking to gynecologists, and many doctors are there. Those who are 70%, they are from the male categories, not a female. And about if someone gets any bad disease or any problem in the night, so definitely man will go, not a woman, because man has those kind of powers, so brain power. By that he can he can track any path at night. But what's happening in the
Why
night?
are you saying
women
about
just-
means in the term means strongness in the term of physicalness? What about the tolerance power? About the patience? Girls has more patience rather than boys. Boys gets angry in very quickly manner, and that is how boys can
Okay,
get
ma'am,
different. I'm speaking, sir. So,
Okay.
man, you are interrupting him.
I would like to speak about, you have spoken about that men get angry earlier. There's also girl known for their mood swings. Have you ever gone through the mood swing, that how can they convince first time the first moment she is very happy, and the second moment I know about, because I live with my 4 sisters. They just get angry with if I don't let her watch the Big Boss or any kind of activities, they get angry. They start complaining to my mother. Let me complete first. And apart from things that whenever my mom comes to me and says that let her watch, you can manage, I do manage. I skip my that favorite shows at all.
Girls has what we call mood swings on her menstruation. After that, they don't have. And about accept it, I know that what is the important of mother and any woman in our life, because I don't have my mother, and she get died when I was
Okay,
child,
ma'am,
and
ma'am,
I have been
listen
suffering
to me,
from
listen to
this.
me.
I'm speaking.
Ma'am,
I
listen
have
to
been
me.
suffering from this. I have several kind of things. Even I don't know whom to share.
Ma'am, listen to
Women
me.
has several
Boys
things.
also do work for outside. They suffering from the there are so many things, against and tolerance and everything. And man can do everything also outside and also inside. And if I talk about the man sacrifice their life for towards their family, and also we are as a boys, I'm also sacrificed for my family. So
Sir, let me tell you one thing. you are talking about boys, they can do everything. How can you say that they can do everything? If I take an example of our father, whenever they come back to our home, so means they don't do anything. But if I take an example of our mother, if she is coming from somewhere, so definitely she will cook food or she will do domestic chores for us. So means you can't say
See,
that
this is not a matter. Whatever you have said, that father comes after the long period of time, and means he never does anything. For example, your father, he does 8 to 9 or 8 to 12, 8 to 8 job. How can you accept that he will come and he will arrange, he will do, means he will means make chapatis and all? You cannot. Means Shabia was talking about her mother. Sorry to say that, but means her mother, after your mother, your father is your mother. Means your father, you get to see two character. Your father as well as your mother. That's why. And who is he? He is the male. He is the boy. He is the man.
One of you said about the burdens. You can't even imagine what type of burden a woman has about in terms of their starting from their birth. If someone rape her, the first question asking to the woman that what type of clothes you are wearing, what type of society asks this kind of questions to the woman, not to the men who are doing that. They are not giving punishment to them. They are doing a shaming of her that you are wearing that type of clothes. That's why they are doing that. Apart from this, about the household chores, except household chores, there are many things they are doing.
These questions are asked by the police officer, not by any that what we are saying. This is the thing. And about the other, that if you go in any sector, anywhere, that first that woman is compared by the man, not man is compared by the woman. In any quad, it is written that be like a man, be like a this. This is written in the quad. This is the main thing. That if you go in anywhere, that woman is compared by the man, not from the woman is means man is compared by the woman. In every sector,
Okay,
you
we
will
know
see.
who compared women with the man? Only men. We don't compare with anyone. We just compare with other women, not men. Because we know our capabilities, we know our worth. As we talk about the mentally disturbed, if you don't have relevant points, don't speak rubbish in this class, okay? And you know about the patriarchy. Because of that, women are lower than the men. Men are having job. Like us women, we are raising them. We are making them that much perfect so they can do a job. They can do anything in their field.
First, let me make you understand whatever you are saying, Rabi's point or any bad points. Rabi is what you are getting from your brain. I'm not getting from my brain. So your brain is Rabi, not my brain. Second thing is that whatever you are thinking or whatever you are saying, half clothes, wearing short dress, that thing has been running from since our ancestors. Or those rules we should have, we should follow or we have to follow. Otherwise, if you are trying to rule your own things, you won't be able to survive because your parents are not allowing you to wear the short dress because environment is not that kind of. That is why girls also are going in
Someone was talking about the job of boys. If men do job from morning 8 to night 9, then how he can manage the home chores? But have you seen the both couple who do job in same sector, but girl make everything, girl make chapati, girl make
sorry
everything,
for inconvenience, but I have couple of my friends who migrated themselves from the another state and they are surviving, they are doing job and they are working, they are doing home chores. But I used to work in one organization. The management was lady and she was only just thinking about themselves, whatever the politics were going on in the means office and all, so she was just thinking about the politics. She was not caring about who is standing in front of her. So whenever there was a mistake by a man, so she always fires him. So that's how you can understand what kind of mentality is.
Okay, see, whenever you are hungry, whom do you prefer, your mother or your father? You always prefer your mother. Why? Because she always makes you food, she always takes care of you. And apart from it, if a lady does job and she come home, then what she will do, she will prepare food for everyone. But apart from it, what men will do, men will come home and
Same. I don't know in what scenario you are living. At the time that not girl or boy both play same role in home. Let's talk about my Jiju personally, I would like to talk about him because he is very gentleman. He always helps my sister, and I very really that appreciate him while seeing that what kind of activities he plays a role in each and every activity. Apart from think about that world. It's come out from a home and think about world. In what kind of activities you girls are participating? You girls are participating nothing. While in a parliament, in any legislative assembly, what kind of see? Apart from Draupadi Murmu, you won't see any less the politicians. In these world organizations, in Supreme Court, how many judges are there? And apart from this, in government
As
job,
you have mentioned about Draupadi Murmu, so you got to know that what kind of capability we have. As you have seen, finance minister, she is woman, and she manages all over the country in the term of finance. So you cannot doubt on our capability. And about you and what you were saying about my mother. So whom I consider as my mother, my sister, not my father, because what my father did, he went to go means he does work on regular basis. He didn't even take care of us.
See,
So my
apart
sister
from,
was that person.
Apart from it, Sita means Mrs. Finance Minister and Mrs. President. Apart from them, who are means how many girls are there in the politics? If I talk about the S. Shankar, who is the foreign minister, if I talk about the home minister, if I talk about the prime minister, as my friend told, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and apart from this many, if I talk about the chief minister of Miss Delhi, now she is ATC, but before that, who gave seat to her? The Mr. Kejriwal. This is how. Apart from this, if I come, what is the average condition of a household in
Okay, don't come in that politics at all.